everyone, today we have another video of the 1980s John Deere 310A tractor backhoe loader TLB, also known as just a backhoe, disking the big field on the top. First off, this is my grandpa who's driving the backhoe with my brother on the fender, as you can see right there. And there is a John Deere 310A logo. And as you just saw, my grandpa decided while the back was running, why not move the wood pile a little bit out of the way. So here's the disc all hooked up. We connect it to the back of the backhoe bucket using trucker's chain. I believe that is what it's called, but it's simply chain with a bunch of links in it with special hooks. So that is what we use to connect the disc to the back of the backhoe, tractor backhoe loader, or whatever you prefer to call this machine. So that is how it's connected, and as you can see, this disc is doing a great job. This is a John Deere pull type disc, and I believe this might be a 7-foot model. It may be a 6-foot, but I'm not sure off the top of my head. But this disc does a great job, and we use it quite a bit. We have 3 other discs that we use, but this is the main one. And as you can see, this field has been kept up a little more than the previous one and the previous video that I did on this, so this disc is doing a great job. And eventually here pretty quick, it's going to be cutting through some grass, and I do apologize for the shakiness of this video. Coming up, you'll see all that grass I was just mentioning about right in this next little bit. But yeah, the disc does a great job, does what we need it to do. And there you can see that chain just there in that last little bit. And the sweep's working to clean off that dirt, and love just watching that dirt fall off. There you can see all the grass, it's quite a bit. But of course, the backhoe has no problem pulling that disc to help loosen up all that soil, so that way the grass will dry out, and hopefully it will eventually leave us with some nice soil. Now this soil is not planted in, just like the other previous field that we did. Nothing's ever been planted in it for as long as I can remember, and for what I've been told since we've been here at this property. So it's just kept up. This is a hobby to get on the tractor, go out and do some work, and it also helps so that way there's not as much to have to keep up with the lawnmower. I do apologize for the wind noises that you might hear throughout the video. It was a pretty windy day that this was videoed, and if you would like, I'll have a link in the description to the previous video I did using this backhoe and disc in the front field, and also a link to the Ford 4000 leaving, and also when it was disking when we had that great tractor. You may notice how the backhoe is bouncing up and down quite a bit, but that is just because the backhoe is driving the opposite direction that the disc was pulled the last time. So now the backhoe has to drive over those big mounds of dirt the disc makes on the edges. Here's another good look of how tall that grass actually is, and also the backhoe struggling a little bit to get over those mounds of dirt, but again, it's no problem for the big backhoe. Like I said before, I apologize for the wind noise. There's a big storm rolling in, and it's finally hit us right as I edited this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.